1 and minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial capital L x raised to 4 plus m x cube plus n x square plus rx plus p, then find L plus n plus m plus p, then m plus r and m cube plus r cube. Okay. So here this is a polynomial which has the degree of the polynomial is x raised to 4, highest degree, right? So that's why it will have 4 roots. Okay. And 1 and minus 1 are 2 roots of these 4 roots. Got it? Okay. Let's solve then. Fx equals to L x raised to 4 plus mx cube plus nx square plus rx plus p. Okay. Then 1 and minus 1 are the roots. So if you input the value of 1 and minus 1 in this fx, your answer should be 0. Because if some any number is a root of any polynomial, and if you substitute that's a remainder theorem, and if you substitute that polynomial in that fx, then the answer is 0. So in this case it should be f of 1 equals to L plus m plus n plus r plus p, right? Because everything is 1, so it will remain as it is, equals to 0. Put it equation number 1. F of minus 1 equals to, do this again, L minus m. Why minus m? Because it's minus 1 cube now, right? Plus n minus r, because it's minus 1, and plus p equals to 0, right? So next, add both 1 and 2. This is equation number 2, this is number 1. Add both. What you will get? 2l plus 2n plus p equals to 0. Therefore 2 into common out, L plus n plus p equals to 0. Therefore L plus n plus p equals to 0. 2 take on this side, it becomes 0. That is the first answer. L plus n plus p, that is equal to 0. Okay. Next we got m and r. How can you get m and r? Suppose if you subtract 1 and 2 from each other, then L will go, N will go, P will go. What will remain is M and R, right? So perform 1 minus 2, right? So what you get is 2M plus 2R equals to 0, M plus R equals to 0, 2 on this side. So that is one answer. Now next you want is M cube plus R cube, right? That is a required answer, M cube plus R cube. Okay. M cube plus R cube means what? What is the formula for A cube plus B cube? A plus B into bracket a square minus ab plus b square, right? So m cube plus r cube is same, m plus r into m square minus mr plus r square. Now m plus r is what? 0. We have just now found out. So if this is 0, then let it be anything, the other part. The answer will be 0, because one bracket is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So that is the answer, 0.